Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing another food review. And today we're going to be doing a food review on Little Debbie's Valentine Brownies. As you can see, there's Little Debbie right here, and here's the brownies that we're going to be doing a taste test, a little food review for. And, says it comes up to 210 calories, 0 cholesterol, 6% sodium. Serving size, I guess 5 servings per container. Alright, but yeah, here's the front, there's the side, and here's all the little information right there on the back. So let's get right to doing a little food review on Little Debbie's Valentine Brownies. So let me get right to opening this box. Here. Alright, we got a little brownie right here wrapped up. Just undo the plastics wrap, and now let's take a better look at it. Here's your close-up right there, more detailed. There is the side, and here's the back. So let's go ahead and give this a little taste test and see if it's a yay or nay for today's Valentine's Day food review. Cheers. It's got a nice smooth texture. Here's what the interior looks like, what it looks like on the inside. There you go. And got the right amount of sugar and frosting and stuff on top. So it doesn't have it where the sweetness is overpowering, I guess, like the brownie mixture. So it actually does kind of go hand in hand when it comes to this little thing where it has, the brownie and then, the red frosting right there with the little trinklets right there on top. Overall, this does seem like a great snack. Yeah, definitely. Alright, now my final review or grade for this food review for Little Debbie's Valentine's Brownie, it gets an A. So, have you guys tried Little Debbie's Valentine's Day Brownies? Let me know, comment below. If you want to see more food reviews like this, I have a whole playlist you can check out here on the channel, as well as other numerous content such as my DVD and Blu-ray haul videos, my movie and TV show reviews, my unboxing videos, and my Fun Adventures YouTube vlogs. If you want to stick around for more, then make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys around for the next video. Have a good day now. Peace.